Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss sequences and series. The 8th and the 15th term of an arithmetic sequence are 31 and 59 respectively. Find the first term and the common difference for 3 marks. Remember to subscribe and to share this link with friends. So what we're going to have is the relationship that gives us a certain term, and we usually say that in arithmetic sequences, nth term is usually given by the first term a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, where d is the common difference. Therefore, the 8th term is 31, the 15th term is 59. So we're going to have 31 being given by the unknown first term plus n, which is 8, minus 1 times d. So 7 multiplied by the unknown d. Then the 15th term is going to be 59. So 59 equals to a plus, because the term is the 15th, then 15 minus 1, then multiplied by d. This is 14 by d. So now, because the coefficients of a are already the same, I'm going to solve by elimination. I will eliminate a, so I will subtract every corresponding term, whereby 7 minus 14 will give us negative 7d. Then 31 minus 59 will give us 28 negative. So that the difference d, the common difference d, is going to be 4. Then now, when we substitute the common difference in one of the equations, for example, the first one, 31 will be given by a plus 7 into d, which is 4. So the value of a, the first term, is going to be given by 31 minus 28, giving us 3. So the common difference for the first term, 3. List the first 4 terms of the sequence. The first term is a, which is 3. So we add the common difference for us to get the next term. So 7 plus the common difference, 11. Then the fourth term is going to be 15. So that is how the first 4 terms are. Second or third, we are taught to find the sum of the first 20 terms. Something else which has to be known is that to get the sum of a given number of terms in an arithmetic sequence, as 2 formulae. And the first formula, sum of n terms, is usually given by n out of 2 into 2 multiplied by a plus n minus 1 into d, and you close the curly brackets. So I will need, the terms are 20 out of 2, 2 multiplied by the first term being 3, plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference of 4. So now I'm going to have 10 into 6 plus. This gives us 11. 11 multiplied by 4 gives 44. So we will now have 44 plus 6 giving us 50 times 10 to give us exactly 500. So 500 is the sum of the first 20 terms. Alternatively, we usually give the sum of n terms by taking n out of 2, then we add the first and the last terms. The first and the last terms. So we can begin by getting the last term, which will be the 20th term. So 20th term, now that we have the sum, the number of the nth term given by this formula, so the 20th term will be given by A plus 20 minus 1, 19, multiplied by common difference. That is according to this formula. So we're going to have 19 by 4, then we add 3. This gives us 79. So now we apply this formula whereby we need sum of n terms to be given by 20 out of 2 into the first term. Our first term is 3. Then we add the last term, which is 79. The last term, which is 79. So this gives us 82 multiplied by 10, which is 820. 820. So using this formula, we are getting 820. I should correct the first formula, whereby when we subtract 20 and 1, we should get 19. So 19 multiplied by 4 should give us 79. 79, when we add to 6, we should get 76. So 76, when we add 6, we get 82. When 82 is multiplied by 10, we get 820. So the answer here, this should have been 76, sorry. So that we get 82 times 10, giving us 820. So in the two formulas, we have the same answer. Jeremy's salary is Kenya shillings 980,000 per annum. His salary increases by 10% annually. Calculate the total amount to the nearest Kenya shillings he will have earned in 7 years. So what we're going to do here is to have the first earning as 980,000. The second is going to be 110% because it increases by 10%. So the second earning is going to be 1078,000. We can have the third. The third is going to be when we multiply this one with 110%. So it becomes 118,580. So now we have the first earning, the second, and the third. We can confirm whether there is a common ratio. When we take 107800 and we divide with the first one, is it the same as when we take the third and we divide with the second? Is it the same? So when I divide this by 1078,000, I'm getting 1.1. And when I take the first one, 1078,000, I divide by 980,000, I'm also getting 1.1. Therefore, it's confirming that as we just continue, if we had taken the fourth, we could still have gotten a common ratio. So we have a R of 1.1. Therefore, it means the salary is obeying a certain geometric progression, whereby the first term is 980,000 Kenya shillings and the common ratio is 1.1. Now we need the total amount he will have earned in 7 years. So we need the sum of a given number of terms, and is given by A into R raised to n, then minus 1, divided by R minus 1. This is when R, the absolute value, is greater than 1. R is greater than 1. Therefore, the first term is 980,000 into R, 1.1, raised to 7, because we want sum of the first 7 years, divide by 1.1 minus 1. So let me compute this one. I'm going to have 1.1 raised to 7. Then I subtract 1. Then I multiply by 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I divide by 0.1. That is after subtracting 1. So what I'm going to have is let me check again. Yes, I'm having 9,297,428. This is according to the nearest Kenya shilling. So that is the total amount you will earn in 7 good years.